Before you watch this video, you will need to subscribe to this channel, click that notification on the bell, and all. Here we go. High wind warning. Here we go. Make me alarm's about to go off.
Per hour. Chance of snow 90%.
Here, high wind warning. Here we go. Here we go. High wind warning. High wind warning.
Tonight to 4 p.m. Sunday. Watch southwest winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts near 60 miles per hour expected. Weather all of southeast Michigan. Wind from 3 a.m. tonight to 4 p.m. Sunday. Impacts, tree and power line damage is expected to result in numerous power outages. Travel will be hazardous, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details: southwest wind increases after midnight with a few gusts around 60 miles per hour possible after 3 a.m. These gusts will be sporadic during the night in the mild air leading up to sunrise. The time period of most concern is early to mid-Sunday morning when a powerful cold front sweeps through the region. The front moves through the Tri-Cities area around 7 a.m. and then moves through the rest of southeast Michigan, including Metro Detroit, by 10 a.m. Peak wind gusts from the west around 60 miles per hour are then likely into Sunday afternoon. People should avoid being outside in forested areas around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. Here is the forecast.
There we go. Thank you for watching.